gave up.
Anyway, hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're continuing what we did last episode because I flippin' hit my recording software. So yeah, we're going to be playing Mob Grinder, and we're joined by Sleepy Gamer. Again. Anyway. Cool math games in chat. We're not.
We're sponsored.
Sponsored, you idiot.
Math games.
We are not. Plus, let's be honest, that website sucks.
Hey, are you bored in class and want to trick your teacher?
Sorry, you can't do it when there's Go Guardian and they have things blocked.
Well, how about cool math games?
Shut up, we're not fucking sponsored.
2019.
I'm gonna get the 100 miles. No, what? Yeah, point. It was 2019. Also, can you freaking sleep?
What's sleep?
Yeah, point. But sleep isn't your middle name. It's my middle name. Chicken nuggets out of brain.
No, I'm Sleepy Gamer.
Yes, that means you need to sleep.
I'm already asleep. Daytime.
But it's nighttime.
What?
You're colorblind in the night versus day cycle.
Wait a minute. We just slept. It says you cannot only sleep at night or during thunderstorm.
Yeah, that means day.
I'm leaving. Guys, he's toxic. Play math game.
I was doing a joke, and how's that being toxic?
Hey, guys, play cool math games and Pokey. That's all you need to play.
No, seriously, how is that toxic when I was just stating facts?
Toxicity.
How?
Toxicity of the toxicity of the toxicity.
The chicken nuggets on the barnacle bread?
On Joe.
Mama.
Mama. I win. You lose.
But here's the thing, if you win then I lose, then you win, but you lose, but then you win, but you lose, but you lose, but you win.
Technically I won, because that's the last thing you said.
But then again, did you win or did you lose, or did no one win or did you lose?
I won.
Are you a chicken nugget or a pizza pie?
Both.
Sorry, you can only be a chicken nugget pizza pie.
I am a chicken nugget.
Lagging a bit. I don't know if that was just me.
I am a chicken nugget pizza pie.
No, you're not. Go play what? Okay, stop saying things. We're not doing fucking fake promotions.
Fake promotions are good for you.
They're not good.
Makes you look okay. Imagine if someone actually just randomly, hey McDonald's, please sponsor us. We need sponsorships.
Why would people want McDonald's sponsor? No offense, but like.
Because it's McDonald's. Like nobody.
I guess yeah, but wouldn't people want an Apple sponsor instead?
No.
Why? Apple's $1 billion company.
Because they're too rich.
That's the reason they would want a sponsor.
Yeah.
We can't want a sponsor from Mr. Beast.
We can't even be sponsored by Mr. Beast.
You never know. You could.
I want to be sponsored by Honey though.
From Bundy?
Honey.
Why? Because he has the funds?
No, I says Honey. It's an app that makes
I'm sorry, but Mr. Beast is already sponsored by that. You cannot have more than one sponsor.
You do know you can have more than one sponsorship,
I'm joking around. Would you understand a fucking joke?
Yeah, and I was joking around. How do you not understand? I'm just yelling at you for no reason.
I'm talking about this stupid shit. This is starting to just
Feel good? Yes.
no.
Feel
It's
good.
starting to make me mad, which is the problem. And I don't want to fucking anger issues anymore. And I don't know why it's
Guys,
fucking making me mad, but it is.
guys, Mr. Beats. Have you heard of Mr. Feast?
Feast. May
Yeah,
they feast on your dead skull.
No, it's an actual person.
So
Starman Town. Have you watched Starman Town, guys? Go.
stop saying things. One of you guys throat is pretty funny.
I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just saying random stuff. Oh my god, tick speed's overpowered.
I said it was 1,000. What's it doing now?
Just break a tree.
Is that why blocks are breaking?
Yeah, if you have leaves down, they're just gonna decay instantly.
No, I was talking about the fact that why I can't build straight up anymore. I'm setting it back to 1.
Hey, would you like a pizza pie?
The server's lagging.
I think tick speed 1000's a little bit.
No, I turned it back to 1.
Maybe it's just too little, and I
No.
think we.
No, it was already lagging before. I think it's still catching up from it.
Legends are told. Na, 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 na.
You will remember me.
Destiny, remember me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Remember me. For
You're
centuries,
going to get
centuries.
copyright. We're going to get copyrighted. How about you stop singing it?
You can't get copyrighted. You're not monetized.
It doesn't matter. You can at least get. You could get a copy. Wait, I said copyright.
Yeah.
Copyright strike.
Strike? Yeah, maybe. If you're very
But you can get
unlucky.
copyright, not copyright strike, or you could even get both.
Nice. We need that.
We don't need that though.
So, we not. Okay, sure. Whatever. Humbling.
Another test. Can a mob survive that drop? I don't think it can. Let's see if I can survive that drop. I'm gonna survive this drop.
What?
Testing something.
Hey, do we have Fortnite? Guys, did he... Hey, guys, we're gonna play a Quizlet today. Code is...
Langus, you're just saying this because you're bored.
Thing.
We're not playing freaking Quizlet. Plus, you aren't even live streaming. You're recording it.
I'm not even recording. I'm
Wait, you're not
stream.
even recording? Then what have you been doing this entire time?
I've just been lying for no reason.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, I survived that fall. Okay, looks like I'm going to play manual.
Hashtag blame cat, dude.
Why? Where did I
That's the new trend, guys. Gotta do it.
It's not a new trend.
Imagine if this video actually blows up, and then hashtag blame cat dude actually becomes a thing.
No, I think that's. And it'd be your fault.
Hey, that's good. No, hashtag blame you for being so good. Hashtag blame cat dude for 1,000,000 subs.
That's
Yep.
a complete lie.
Guys, use hashtag bring down cat dude. JK.
Shut up.
Why do we even use hashtags anymore? Like, isn't it just a way to be stupid without actually being stupid?
Alright. Think I know?
Joe does.
You don't know what's about Joe. Don't get your Joe mom.
Joe mama, Joe mama.
You're a chicken again, I'm about to go ahead.
I like your conversation.
There's something wrong, hon. I have to disconnect and reconnect. Something isn't right.
We eating your mom.
I think having it at 1,000 tick speed for too long broke something. Ah, yes
Joe
it did. I see what it did. There we go. Okay. Well, we need to go one more back.
I'm kind of sad that our last server died.
What do you mean it died?
Like the one with the not the Nubis one, but the one where we had the secret base.
Oh, that one. You mean the last server we did?
Yeah, the one with the vault.
Yeah, it is a bit sad that died, but okay.
That was pretty cool too, is the worst part.
Yeah, but it had to die for this one to come. Bless you.
Hashtag wear masks, please.
Stop saying hashtag of everything.
Hashtag lol.
Okay, well that one I'm going to yell at you about. Stop saying hashtag everything!
Okay, Joe. Hashtag Joe Mama.
Say one more hashtag and I will do it. I'll turn keep inventory off and kill you with /kill. I'm joking. But also, you just spawned back at your base, weren't you? And you're near your base.
Hashtag Joe Mama. I'm not even
why
at
did
my.
I go down? I need to be up.
I'm not even at my base. I'm at Tin Pot's house right now.
Wait, what? But Tim, you actually found Timbot's house?
Last day I did, yeah. I took his cat,
I found
remember?
out where he was living. He was living in my storage unit.
Back in his old area.
Oh, his old area. Okay. But how'd you get all the way back to spawn?
My base isn't that far from there.
Really? Am I the only one who's far away at this point?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, you should move closer.
Well, it's actually a good thing I'm far away, even though it's too much of a pain now to move my base. After how big it's got.
Imagine if Tin Pot blows up your base. You're not peeved.
Oh, I'm gonna be mad if anyone blows up my base. Because that fucking took hours to build. Well, maybe
You
not
have
hours,
to.
but
Oh.
it took me a course of a couple of days. Oh, that's what I was doing up here. I need to finish building this now. Okay, there's something wrong. I think I may have to stop and restart the server again, because something's not right.
If you do, I'm going to record my Pokemon video.
You're going to do what?
Hey, we should record that Pokemon video we've been talking about.
What Pokemon video did we talk about?
Guys, he was talking about Pokemon Nuzlocke, and it wasn't my idea, it was his.
You're the one who talked about that and introduced me to it. First off,
Like,
stop your blatant lying. I didn't even know what Pokemon video you were talking about.
okay, well, I was gonna do a Nuzlocke, but if you don't
Yeah,
want
no,
to,
I'm not doing
okay.
the second one. Yeah, no, we've been talking about this, where I'm not doing the
Well,
second Nuzlocke until the game gets finished.
it's not. What if it just never gets finished?
It will eventually. They're just running into difficulties.
Yay. Or
Plus,
new train.
also, I don't want to fucking lose this account.
Why don't you just use a different browser?
Yeah, and I'm gonna forget about the browser. Like, I only use Chrome usually.
What's the other use?
Oh, I have other browsers on here. I just don't use them. Cause like they suck.
Yeah, but guys, I guess it will have to be solo Nuzlocke, you know.
Have to be a what?
Solo Nuzlocke.
Okay. You're the one whose idea it was. So.
That's fine. JK. I'm not doing it yet, but
There is something wrong with this server. I need to reset it and start it again.
no, there's nothing wrong with it.
Have you tried building up?
Yes, I've done it
Then
several
why is
times.
it working for you? Because I've been having fucking problems. Look, I'm building up and it's doing the thing in Hypixel. I literally have perfect internet, don't I? Oh, no, I don't. Okay, oh, yeah, no, what the fuck is happening?
Your internet's just trash right now.
It usually isn't trash, it's not. Probably just my electronics are being run at the moment. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, God. Anyways, there was a notification on Ucraft. The server's back online. Okay, that's what it's saying. Server's
Imagine
back online for Ucraft.
last update.
What happened?
What if that was actually the last update, though?
It wasn't, though. I know for a fact it wasn't.
On what?
The Pokemon.
Oh, they might not get done with that.
Well, at least wait until they progress more, because here's the thing. They've been trying to keep it up. Like, they've been dialing that for a long time. Plus, it's hard to get updates out.
I think what they should do is like turn it off for just a little bit, a couple weeks. Work on the
Well,
Elite Four.
here's the thing then. Everyone's going to stop. People forget about it and stuff like that. Plus, that's where they get some of their problems from because of the spawners. Like, they're only 250 bucks, so, yeah. Anyway, I'm a cobblestone.
I feel like just...
Cobblestone.
Let's see, what do I need? What was I gonna get again? Oh yeah, Hopper. Hopper's chest. Hopper's chest.
Why the fuck is there fucking 3 zombies and a skeleton? I gotta light that area up.
That's all.
Okay, my mob thing looks stupid at the moment, but it kind of fits in with the house. And then they just disappear. What?
I need 2 more chests. I mean, 1 more chest, and then 2 more hop. Maybe I need to fight up down here. There we go. For now, that should be good. For now. I'm happy.
Okay, there is something wrong with my thing. Even though I just reset my Minecraft. I don't understand what's happening. Like, it's doing that old Hypixel glitch with trying to build blocks. Where, like, it places them and then doesn't, but does again, like...
Is it because you're on 3 bars?
I don't know. But last time I was on 3 bars, I was completely fine. I have no clue what's happening at the moment. It was after we put the random tick speed to 1,000. And then I turned it back down to 1. But it was on 1,000 for so long, I guess it kind of broke my game at the moment. Yeah, literally, blocks are lagging. What's happening?
Why am I not lagging?
Probably because you have better internet at the moment, I guess. Maybe it is the internet. But yeah, no, I'm literally glitching off the side of blocks. Just like Hypixel.
Now I can say you have poop internet.
No, you can't, by the fact that, literally, I'm still be able to run and I don't log out.
Poop internet.
How is this poop internet if this is literally when I'm not fucking crashing every 5 seconds?
Hey, that's even worse though. I don't like it when I have to slowly do stuff.
Well, I can still build. It's just being annoying.
I just have 2 diamond pickaxes for some reason.
Like, yeah, it's just blocks that are lagging. Which is different, because usually it's the mobs that are lagging. Also, I don't think the random tick speed worked, because when I put it to 1,000, like, it should have been changing night and day, like, oh, never mind, that's daylight cycle, tick speed.
Not right.
I gotta also torch at the top here, so no mobs will spawn on it. Luckily, I did bring torches, so somehow.
Now my curiosity is how you gonna break all those torches. Diamonds.
What do you mean break all the torches? I'm putting them on top of it, so, no mobs spawn up here, because this isn't where they're supposed to be spawning. I'm not using a mob spawner like you.
Nice. Or more like not very nice, but I don't know what it is. By the way, is keep inventory off?
No, it's on.
Alright.
I don't know why it's been on, but it's been on apparently.
Let me die real quick then.
It's off.
I hate you.
JK.
I could have done lava and you could have literally made me lost all my stuff.
Well, I remember I tricked you last time by saying that.
I'm gonna murder you.
I'm just joking around, jeez. Can you take a joke?
No.
Well, then that's just sad.
You're the one who can't take a joke.
I can as well, just except the fact is that you get mad every single time I start screaming because, like, I understand it hurts your ears and everything, but, like, I'm sorry, but I have fucking anger issues. Question marking it when, literally, what do you think the fight was earlier as well? Okay, I can read that, and also, I can take a joke. You can't. I've literally told you many things as a joke, and you're saying you can't.
You purposely down is the thing.
Okay, like, now you're not making any sense to me.
You're not making any sense to me, because I know how math works.
Now that doesn't make sense. Math doesn't evolve anything in this equation, except, here's the thing, you always hate me whenever I do math, during freaking recordings and stuff.
Yeah, and that's why I'm making fun of you.
Wow, because I did math.
Nah, I'm making fun of it.
Math. You're
Ev-
making fun of math.
Everyone did math in their life, like, bruh.
Unless
This hurts my
if you're a kid at the moment and haven't got
guys.
school yet.
This guy.
Or actually, no, not everyone. Some people don't even get proper education.
Nice.
I don't think that's something to be so nice about.
Education. The ad for you. JK, it's very good for you.
Tomorrow I actually have to go to school again. At
L.
least tomorrow's Friday. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need torches. I'll probably use some of the extra equipment I have.
Oh my god, more wood. What the heck?
You got what?
I need more wood.
How many signs? What do you need wood for?
Chests.
Why do you need more chests? Oh yeah, because you only had 2. That's right. And for the mob spawner.
Yeah, I have almost maxed out chests.
What do you mean maxed out chests? What?
Yeah, we're playing Skyblock, right?
Wait, but on Skyblock you can't even have maxed out chests.
Yeah,
There's
you
no
can
limit for chests.
large chest and a huge
What?
chest.
A what chest?
Large and huge chests.
Oh, that's what you meant. Wait, I don't think there's a limit for that. I think that's only for minions.
I am a minion.
Spam torches everywhere up here.
Ow, I
Oh.
hit freaking dolphin.
Yeah! Well, that didn't work.
Okay, there we go. I have enough wood now. All you need. Makes sense.
I'll time the AFK around the mob grind to see if it works.
Okay, I think I finally fixed it. Now I'm gonna FK here now. Because it spawns mobs.
Okay, anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this, and adios, amigos.